Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put web link in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I put web link in this document. Now you can see here are YouTube. Now right click on here. Now you can see here are insert link. Then paste your link here. My YouTube link is copied to my clipboard. Now I paste here. Now press apply. Now you can see I put web link in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.